everyone, it's Raquel and today's recipe is going to be a beautiful pumpkin chicken soup. My friend wasn't feeling too well and we all know a bowl of chicken soup is the remedy for everything. So here I'm going to dice some pumpkin and carrots and try not to be too shy with the pumpkin. It gives the soup that beautiful color. So now to a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add some chopped garlic along with the pumpkin and carrots, and the garlic gives this soup great flavor. Also going to add some pimento seeds, gives this soup great depths of flavor as well. And here I have some chicken feet, makes a delicious pot of soup, but this is totally optional. And over here I have some chicken as well, and because the chicken feet takes a little longer to cook than the chicken, I'm going to add them to the pot first. And I'm gonna allow this to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until the pumpkin has basically dissolved, giving the soup that lovely color. Now in with the chicken, and while this is cooking I'm going to prepare some cornmeal dumplings, and you can totally omit the dumplings and have some vegetable chicken soup, but I love cornmeal dumplings in my soup. Into a bowl I'm going in with some flour, some cornmeal, a bit of salt, and I'm going to gradually add water, and I'm going to knead until I have a nice firm dough ball. Now that we have created a dough ball and it's nice and firm, just gonna pinch a small piece and I'm just gonna roll. And you can make your dumplings as large or as small as you like. You can even make it in any shape you like. So in the pot they go. And also to this I'm going to add some potatoes, and here is where you can add any provision you like, whether it be yam, turnip, cocoa, dasheen, breadfruit. It's really your choice. I'm just gonna cover this for 5 minutes while I prepare my seasoning. Now in with some fresh scallion thyme, a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, this cock soup mix with pumpkin, which gives this soup great depths of flavor and added pumpkin color. And also to my soup I'm gonna add this Maggi all-purpose seasoning for flavor, or you can just flavor your soup however you choose. Now in with some chopped scallion, and here is where you're just going to taste and add some salt if needed. Now I'm just going to cover this down under the lowest heat and allow it to cook for about 25 minutes. 25 minutes later and this pumpkin chicken soup is done. Flavorful, rich with pumpkin, quick, easy, and it was done in no time, and my friend enjoyed it. Thank you so very much for watching.